Sunday morning when the papers hit the shops, we read tales of sleaze celebrities, murderers and crooked cops, revelations and sensations, each one more tawdry than the next. We breakfast on a diet of cheap thrills and sordid sex. Rupert and Rebecca, keeping us informed. Rebecca and Rupert, the devil without horns. It hardly seems a moment since old Rupert hit these shores, an Australian American with his tales of tarts and whores that we willingly subscribe to. After all is said and done, he was just reporting facts and wasn't hurting anyone. Rupert and Rebecca putting on their Sunday best. Rebecca and Rupert owe the power of the press. There's been wide concern for decades over the power of the press, although a decent journalist must have his freedom nonetheless. That said, a person's right to privacy must stand both rich and poor. All investigations must be within the letter of the law. Rupert and Rebecca, did they not think to inquire? Rebecca and Rupert sinking further in the mire. And now we reach the point where all their crooked practices must stop, made increasingly more difficult when you involve the cops. So as they overstepped the mark and showed the lengths that they would go, is there anyone on earth believes that Rupert didn't know? Rupert and Rebecca and the boys of Scotland Yard, Rebecca and Rupert hoisted by his own petard. Rupert and Rebecca with their secrets and their lies, the whole world takes great delight in seeing them cut down to size. Rupert and Rebecca with their secrets and their lies, the whole world takes great delight in seeing them cut down to size. The whole world takes great delight in seeing them cut down to size.